If your Philips TV is showing a no signal message, it does not automatically mean the TV is faulty. In this video, we will go through the exact causes of the Philips TV no signal problem and the most reliable fixes step by step. Let's dive in. What no signal means on a Philips TV. The no signal message appears when your Philips TV is powered on but cannot detect an active video input. This usually happens when the connected device is turned off, connected incorrectly, or sending a signal the TV cannot recognize. It can also occur if the wrong input source is selected or if the signal quality is too weak. Number 1. Check all cable connections. The most common reason for a Philips TV showing no signal is loose or faulty cables. HDMI cables, antenna cables, or coaxial cables must be firmly connected to both the TV and the external device. Even a slightly loose connection can prevent the signal from reaching the TV. If possible, try reconnecting the cable or testing with a different cable to rule out cable damage. Number 2. Correct input source. Another frequent cause is selecting the wrong input source. Philips TVs do not automatically switch inputs in all cases. If your device is connected to HDMI 1, but the TV is set to HDMI 2, the screen will show no signal. Use the source or input button on the remote to manually select the correct HDMI or TV input that matches your connected device. Number 3. Power cycle the TV. Temporary software glitches can also trigger a no signal message. Power cycling helps reset the system. Turn off the TV, unplug it from the power outlet, and wait at least 30 seconds. Do the same for the connected device, such as a cable box or console. Plug everything back in and power them on again to refresh the connection. Number 4. Test a different device. To identify whether the issue is with the TV or the external device, connect a different device using the same HDMI port and cable. If the second device works, the original device may be faulty. If neither device works, try switching to a different HDMI port on the TV. Number 5. Update Philips TV software. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause input detection problems. Philips recommends keeping the TV software up to date. Go to the TV's settings menu, check for available software updates, and install them if available. Software updates often fix bugs related to HDMI detection and signal processing, when the issue may be hardware related. If none of these steps work, the problem may be due to a hardware fault such as a damaged HDMI port, internal tuner failure, or motherboard issue. In this case, Philips advises contacting official Philips support or a certified service technician for diagnosis and repair.